In this video, we'll be showing you exactly how to assign travel roles in Navan to streamline your team's travel management. If you're looking for an easy way to assign responsibilities and make your travel process more efficient, stick with us. This feature could be a game changer for your business. Now, before we dive into the specifics, I want to let you know that you can access Navan completely free with an exclusive bonus offer through the first link in the description below. That's right, you get the full experience, risk-free. Stay tuned, because I'll also be sharing some tips to make the most of this software. Navan is known for simplifying travel management, and one of its most powerful features is the ability to assign travel roles. This allows you to designate who's responsible for booking, approving, and handling different aspects of travel within your organization. It's perfect for ensuring smooth, coordinated travel plans without the usual confusion. Let's start with the basics. When you log into your Navan account, head over to the settings section. There, you'll find an option called Travel Roles. This is where you can assign specific roles to team members such as the travel booker, approver, and traveler. The process itself is simple. First, you'll select the employee who will be responsible for each role. For instance, the travel booker can manage bookings, while the approver has the final say on whether travel plans are confirmed. Meanwhile, the traveler gets to view their upcoming trips, but with limited editing permissions. One of the best parts about assigning travel roles in Navan is that it removes any ambiguity about who is responsible for what. This makes it easier to track the status of a trip, streamline communication, and prevent any potential conflicts or delays. No more wondering who needs to approve the travel requests or who's handling the booking. You can customize these roles to suit your company's specific needs. For example, you can have multiple approvers for high-level executives or create specific permissions for particular departments. It's all about making travel management as seamless and transparent as possible. And the best part? You can update or change roles at any time based on the needs of your business. This is especially useful if you're managing a large team or have a lot of employees traveling at once. Being able to assign roles ensures that everyone knows what their responsibilities are and who to reach out to when they need something. No more cross purposes or communication breakdowns. Now, I know you might be wondering how to do all this if you're new to the software. Don't worry, it's intuitive, and within a few clicks, you'll be able to assign and modify these roles as needed. If you're looking to scale your travel management, this is a great feature to leverage, as it will save you time and avoid unnecessary stress during the planning stages. And since I've mentioned it already, don't forget, you can use Navan for free with our exclusive bonus by clicking the first link in the description below. To wrap up, assigning travel roles in Navan is straightforward but powerful. It's a simple way to ensure your travel process stays organized and efficient, no matter the size of your team. And as a bonus, I've mentioned the extended free trial that you can get from that link, so don't miss out on the chance to try it out yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Navan experience.